Hi everybody and welcome to the Nerf accuracy testing set. Today we're going to be using two Mavericks, the mystery pistol, the Deploy CS6, the barrel break IX2, and my personal favourite, the Recon CS6. Let's get testing. This is the Maverick, a pistol with a revolving barrel. So let's see how good the shot is on here. There is that. This is the mystery pistol. It's a very powerful gun, accurate. We don't exactly know what the name of it, but I'm going to be shooting that paper towel down there. And there we go. This is the Deploy CS6. It's a pretty good gun and an accurate range. I'm going to be aiming at that paper towel down there. And there we go. A shot. This is the Recon CS6. As you can see, a pistol, but with a few modifications. It can become an assault rifle. First I'm going to shoot it as the pistol and see how accurate it is. As you can see, as a pistol, quite accurate. Let's see as the assault rifle. That's failure bullet. As you can see, still quite accurate and still pretty powerful. This is the barrel break IX2. It fires 2 bullets at a time, as you can see from its double barreledness, and it is modelled on a shotgun. So, not meant for accuracy really. As you can see, reasonably accurate. And then I'm going to do it two-handed. As you can see, not as accurate with one hand, but what do you expect? Now we're going to have a little Nerf war I'm going to have the Recon and the barrel break on my team, while Fraser's got the Deploy and the mystery pistol. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
This is my melody, and it's just a raver's fantasy. Cause I know if you're in love with me tonight, raving through the night. This is my melody, and it's just a raver's fantasy. Cause I know if you're in love with me tonight, raving through the night.
that was our drink editing thing.
Thanks for watching.
And please, don't subscribe. I mean, do subscribe, obviously.